Vascular plants, tracheophytes, differ from the non-vascular bryophytes in that they possess specialized supporting and water-conducting tissue, called xylem, and food-conducting tissue, called phloem. The xylem is composed of non-living cells, tracheids and vessel elements, that are stiffened by the presence of lignin, a hardening substance that reinforces the cellulose cell wall. The living sieve elements that comprise the phloem are not lignified. Xylem and phloem are collectively called vascular tissue and form a central column, stele, through the plant axis. The ferns, gymnosperms, and flowering plants are all vascular plants. Because they possess vascular tissues, these plants have true stems, leaves, and roots. Before the development of vascular tissues, the only plants of considerable size existed in aquatic environments where support and water conduction were not necessary. A second major difference between the vascular plants and bryophytes is that the larger, more conspicuous generation among vascular plants is the sporophytic phase of the life cycle. The vegetative body of vascular plants is adapted to terrestrial life in various ways. In addition to vascular tissue, the aerial body is covered with a well-developed waxy layer, cuticle, that decreases water loss. Gases are exchanged through numerous pores, stomata, in the outer cell layer, epidermis. The root system is involved in the uptake from the soil of water and minerals that are used by the root system as well as the stem and leaves. Roots also anchor the plant and store food. The stem conducts water and minerals absorbed by the root system upward to various parts of the stem and leaves. Stems also conduct carbohydrates manufactured through the process of photosynthesis from the leaves to various parts of the stem and root system. Leaves are supported by the stem and are oriented in a manner conducive to maximizing the amount of leaf area, evolved in trapping sunlight for use in photosynthesis. Modifications of roots, stems, and leaves have enabled species of vascular plants to survive in a variety of habitats encompassing diverse and even extreme environmental conditions. The ability of vascular plants to flourish in so many different habitats is a key factor in their having become the dominant group of terrestrial plants. The vascular plants are divisible into the non-seed plants, lower vascular plants, or cryptogams, and those that reproduce by seeds, higher vascular plants, or phanerogams. The ferns, Polypodiopsida, are a group of the lower vascular plants. Other groups include the whisk ferns, Psilotophyta, club and spike mosses, Lycophyta, and horsetails, Sphenophyta, or Arthrophyta. Collectively, the latter four groups are sometimes referred to as pteridophytes, because each reproduces by spores liberated from dehiscent sporangia, free sporing. Although the lower vascular plants have adapted to terrestrial life, they are similar to bryophytes in that, as an apparent vestige of their aquatic ancestry, all produce motile, flagellated, male gametes, antherozoids, or sperm, and must rely on water for fertilization to take place.